Good day to all. Innovative Authors International Forum, The Bookshelf. As you are aware about world history, Indian history, history plays an important role in everybody's life. If we don't know what happened during our previous years or centuries, we may not be in a position to go ahead with our own, maintaining our own culture and heritage. History has always been a very boring subject for many people, unlike few people who wish to write about historical incidents and places. Today the world has become a small place that everything we want to know is just a click away. That doesn't apply here. I am introducing a new book in Bookshelf titled Itihas, Saga of India. When I say the word saga, it denotes journey, a journey within India. The book is written by Honorable Author Swapna Amit Singh Rajput. Swapna Amit Singh Rajput's book titled Itihas, Saga of India, New Version of Amazing Legends of India. India has always been an attention point in the world. Millions of curious people from around the globe visit here and wonder how one country could always stay glorious with its heritage and culture for centuries. Cover is designed by Swapna Rajput herself. The poet and author Swapna Rajput has depicted a very nice cover page. The book is very thick. It contains black and white sketches as well, and it is having nearly 355 pages, and it is published by say for example the Saga of India, Itihas Saga of India. It's published by, the name of the publisher is the First Step Corporation.com. The publisher's name is firststepcorporation.com, and I am thanking Swapna Rajput for sending me a complimentary copy to make a review in terms of text, which I will be doing it shortly. So hence I am introducing this book, The Saga of India, Itihas. It's a wonderful book which describes much about places and people of India, and it's an amazing book. It's a legendary story books which makes a reading a pleasure. It displays the pictures of various pictures of Taj Mahal and temples and holy places, as it denotes in the cover page. Moreover, I wish to say a few words about the bookshelf. Bookshelf is a new feature introduced by Innovative Authors International Forum under the leadership of Sindhu Nandakumar, based in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Signing off, Williams G. Maveli, closing the bookshelf for today. Thanks a lot. Love to all. Bye to all.